Hi. Barnacles are small crustaceans that attach to submerged surfaces. Did you know they can affect your boat's performance? Let's discover why they adhere to boat hulls and how you can prevent it. Reasons for adhesion. 1. Ideal surface. Boat hulls offer a hard, stable surface perfect for barnacle attachment. 2. Protection and nutrients. Barnacles find protection and a constant flow of nutrients on moving hulls. 3. Dispersal. Boats traveling long distances help disperse barnacle larvae to new areas. Adhesion process. 1. Larval stage. Planktonic larvae seek a suitable surface. 2. Firm adhesion. They secrete an adhesive substance that permanently fixes them to the hull. 3. Growth. They begin to build their shell and filter nutrients from the water and direct sunlight. Impact on boats. 1. Water resistance. They increase friction, reducing speed and fuel efficiency. 2. Additional weight. They add weight, affecting maneuverability. 3. Corrosion. They can cause damage and corrosion to hulls. Prevention and control. 1. Regular maintenance. Clean your boat hulls frequently. 2. Anti-fouling paints. Use special coatings to prevent adhesion. 3. Physical and chemical methods. Employ techniques to remove attached barnacles. Keep your boat in optimal condition by understanding and controlling barnacle adhesion. Your boat will thank you. Visit us at miamifin.com or call 1-786-681-6300 for more information and to get a free quote. Thank you for considering Miami Fin for your boat care. Remember, a clean hull is an investment in your boat's efficiency, safety, and value.